All right, y'all, we fix to cook some Cajun Tortellini, Halloweeny, something. Let's see. No, tortellini. Hey, y'all, got some real good here. Cajun Tortellini. It is going to be so good. We're going to mix all this together, and it is fast and simple. So y'all got to try this. All right, y'all ready to do this? We're going to use some of this graza oil. Ooh, this is going to be good, y'all. This is what we call a holy trinity down here. We got a little bit of onion, a little bit of pepper, some celery, and a little parsley. We're going to cook this down a little bit. All right, y'all, while y'all waiting over there for the onions to get done, we got some sausage right here. Not just regular sausage. This is andouille sausage. And they make it right up the road, a lot of it right here. Andouille sausage has got big chunks of meat in it. They're like whole big pieces. Most sausage is ground up, but this has got like big chunks. And they smoke it, and it's good. We're gonna cut this up real small so it'll cook fast. It's cooked already, really. All we're doing is heating it up. We're gonna get this sausage going. Put a little more oil down there. Oh boy. All right, get it on here. When we growing up, we made our own sausage all the time. Grandma and them, they would butcher a hog. That's when we made sausage. Now everybody wants to do it the easy way, just go to the store. Hey, convenience is nice. I mean, we didn't have to chop these onions this down. They was all ready. Now, the star of the show is fixing to come out. And this is what we're using right here. Yeah! Ooh, we're gonna dump this whole bag on there. And then we're gonna get another bag. Look at there. This is cheese tortellini, but you can use whatever kind you want. The reason I'm using this because it's the first one I've seen. And it's easy to cook. All you gotta do is add a little water, a little dome right here. See if I can get all these critters in here. All right, y'all, don't look, don't peek. All right, now I got them all in there. We're gonna squirt some water on them. All right, y'all, we got these in steaming. We can put some of the good stuff on there. We'll season this up, the onions and stuff pretty good. All right, we're gonna mix this up a little bit, and guess what we're fixing to throw on here? Our little bitty shrimpies. Yeah, I bought these in the store today in the pack, but hey, you can go get fresh ones if you want, or if you can. Shrimp don't take long at all. That's why we're doing these at the end, right at the last part. What we're gonna do next, got our tortellinis, they ought to be done. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna toss these around a little bit. You don't wanna burn these, but you wanna get a little color. So you gotta keep stirring. All right, y'all, fix to use some of this Cajun blend. We're gonna tune these shrimp up. Hey, we got this Parmesan ranch. I'm gonna get it on everything. So this is gonna be good. Okay. Now, we're gonna mix all this together. Oh boy. Just listen to it sizzle. Oh boy. Y'all know this is gonna be good. Then we're gonna dump this Alfredo sauce all over it. Y'all watch it. Gotta mix it in here. I'm gonna add the rest of this sauce. All right, then we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, fresh Parmesan. Stir it up. All right, now look at it. It's all going together. Cheese is melting. Hey y'all, we're gonna put a little parsley on top of this. Once we get the parsley spread out, we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna get us a real plate and eat in today. We used to catch shrimp right off of the wharf at the camp. My grandpa had these big old cast nets he'd throw out. He might throw it 8 or 10 times and then he'd have enough shrimp for a meal. We didn't have a store down the river. You couldn't go nowhere and buy it. You had to catch it or your neighbor brought it to you. This is so easy to make, y'all. Everything's basically cooked. All you gotta do is throw it together, heat it up, and eat it up. This is so good. But I made this for Miss Aunt, so I better bring it to her before I eat it all.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bar.